AIG Online Quote Tools. AIG offers various online tools to help customers quickly receive insurance quotes based on their specific needs. These tools allow users to compare plans, customize coverage, and estimate premiums before purchasing a policy. Below are some of the key online quote tools available for different types of insurance. 1. Life insurance quotes. AIG provides an online quote tool for life insurance that allows customers to input their age, coverage needs, and health information to receive an estimated premium. This tool helps individuals compare different life insurance plans, such as term life and whole life policies. Second, car insurance quotes. AIG offers an online car insurance quote calculator that generates personalized estimates based on the driver's history, vehicle type, and location. This tool helps customers find affordable car insurance plans with options for additional coverage, such as roadside assistance. Third, travel insurance quotes. For travelers looking for coverage, AIG's online quote tool provides instant estimates for single-trip and multi-trip travel insurance. Users can customize their coverage for trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost baggage. Fourth, business insurance quotes. AIG offers online quoting tools for business insurance, allowing companies to estimate costs for liability, property, and cyber insurance coverage. Business owners can adjust coverage levels and explore additional policy options. 5. Home insurance quotes. Customers looking for home insurance can use AIG's online tool to receive an estimated premium based on their home's value, location, and coverage preferences. This tool also provides options for flood, fire, and theft protection. AIG's online quote tools make it easy for individuals and businesses to explore insurance options and estimate costs before committing to a policy. For the most accurate pricing, it's recommended to complete the quote process online or speak with an AIG representative. To get the most competitive quote on insurance in your area, simply click on the link in the description below.